Welcome back to the channel, Las Vegas sports fans. Here's another update about the Oakland A's potential move to Las Vegas. In recent news, a third Las Vegas Strip location has emerged in talks with the Oakland A's, which I will be covering in this video along with the two other locations. Location number 1. The Tropicana Hotel and Casino, located at Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard. This location makes a lot of sense. However, it will require a complete demolition of the existing hotel and parking structure. It's not a big lot as the other two locations, but it's an ideal location, close to other hotels, close to the airport, and the 15 freeway, has an off-ramp that is currently being redone to accommodate more traffic for the area. This project will be completed in 2026, which gives the A's plenty of time to redevelop this site into a dome baseball stadium on the Strip. It would also make sense to add a hotel to the stadium, just like the Toronto Blue Jays have at their stadium. Will this be part of the new design? Right now, I'm only speculating on that feature. This location makes sense since the Tropicana is old and needs to be modernized, and it's a prime location on the Strip. Bally's Corporation, that owns the hotel, has made numerous comments about being interested in developing the site for MLB and Oakland. Location number 2, Sahara and Las Vegas Boulevard. The Life is Beautiful location, which is a giant vacant paved lot right now, which is located on the northernmost part of the Strip. I'm not a fan of this location at all. Traffic is a mess over here with horrible access to this location. The 15 freeway is about a mile away, but it has no plans to accommodate additional stadium traffic. The area is not the greatest as well. The only benefit I can see about this location is that it's a huge chunk of land that can easily be developed without paying for demolition of an existing structure, which could save millions of dollars if money is tight for this project without taxpayer funds being added to the stadium project. This is the older part of the Strip too, which could cause a massive cleanup for the area, which would be a pretty good idea. Location number 3. This is the newest one. The Rio Hotel and Casino has been talked about for several years right now about having a major league stadium on its property. The Rio has seen better days, and the new owners of the property are fully aware that this place is in serious need of a major remodel. As you can see in my video of this property, it's run down on the outside as well as inside the hotel too. This hotel was built back in 1990 and it shows its age. The good thing about this site is that there is decent freeway access since it backs up to the 15 freeway. The property is huge, which means this could be a massive project including a remodeled Rio hotel, new commercial spaces, etc. like the Texas Rangers have done in recent years, or a project like what the San Francisco Giants did with China Basin by transforming that area when they created Pac Bell Park when that opened in 2000. The new owners have raised $850 million in new capital for the Rio Hotel. Also, Flamingo and the 15 is a busy traffic location. However, there are also plenty of other hotels nearby, like the Palms. It's within a 10 to 15 minute walk back to the Las Vegas Strip, so this could be a great location if it's chosen. In other news about this move, Oakland has hired 11 lobbyists to go after Nevada state representatives and persuade them to get tax dollars to fund this stadium idea. Will that happen? At this point, who knows? Oakland really wants a private-public partnership to make this project work, which means they want to watch their spending and have the tax dollars pay for some of the project, or by creating another room tax, as in the case of the Raiders. Currently, Oakland wants to build a $1 billion retractable dome stadium somewhere on the Strip or near it. It's an ambitious project that still has a lot of unanswered components to it, but I think at this point, we will have all the answers we need sometime this year. Stay tuned for more updated information and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.